up guys, welcome back to another video. In this game I'll be trying to use weapons from vending machines only. So I think I'll be landing Frenzy. There's a couple of vending machines there and I think Shattered too, so I land, and the most important thing is the first vending machine I find. I have to find a shotgun, so I just hope for a shotgun for my first vending machine. Actually, one spot where there's a vending machine. There's two here, but there's one which is right here. Yeah, and I'll be landing on this one and see what I get. I want to turn around to just have a look. Okay, wait, it's a DMR, come on. Fine, I'll take it. It's better than nothing. Okay, I'm an ODM gear, so I'll just go to the other vending machine. I'm getting shot. That's not nice. Okay, what about this one? Sniper? Bro, come on. Are you being for serious? This is a joke. Come on. There's someone on me. Nice. He's gone out of the game. Okay. So is there any other vending machine near us? Well, there's a llama, which I will be taking, Huh? I never mind, I used this llama. It only used one mag to get the whole llama. Nice. Okay. I think I'll take the truck cannon. And I'm out of here. I'm on the hunt for more vending machines that actually have some proper loot, Okay. Now it's just time to go over to another place. I mean, I could hire an NPC, he'll be helpful. Ah, he's one of these. No, he only has a sniper. He won't be any help. Okay, I'm just heading over to Shattered. Please, pistol. No, it's an SMG. Even better. Here's one shot. Come on. Nice. Last shot. Okay, give me the SMG and some ammo. On to the next vending machine. Please, a shotgun. And the other one is up here. AR. Not bad. Red eye too. No, that's good. Nice, nice, nice. I think I'll have to drop the truck cannon, and this is my loot for now. Okay, I mean, it's not bad, but not too good. It's just mid. Another truck cannon. I mean, I don't need it, so I'll just take the other choice. What the hell happened? He's dead. Okay. So, there's more people here. Oh, exotic grab. Ah, exotic shotgun, come on. Nice. There's literally just an exotic shotgun laying out. I found like 3 epic SMGs until now. And an exotic, and a mythic. I'm telling you, every time I make one of these videos, I always get the best loot that I can never use. There's someone on me. Come here, boy. Okay. Why is he running? He's dead. I'll just use one of these. Oh, you know what? Take one flopper. Slurp juice. Coconuts. And I think I'm good. Okay, and there's a vending machine here too. So I'll take a look at that. SMG, same what I have. I'm at it. Back one. Oh, I need to reload. Oh, nice. There's more shooting over there too. And here. He's closer. So why not? I look at fighting. Another one to go. Oh, behind me. Oh, he's a real. I thought he was an AI. Now I'm out of here. Nope. I ain't dealing with that. I'm not dealing with that. Maybe I'll just go over here. Too bad. So I'll just head over to Mega. Okay. Is the same person chasing me? Okay. So there's a AR vending machine here. Check it out. Nothing I need. Okay, how about the other one here, which is a heal vending machine because it's at the gas station, but there's also another one right here. Shotgun, please. I really need one. Sniper, not gonna help. Okay. What about the other side of Mega? Any more vending machines? Yup. Yes! Finally! Finally! Nice! Finally shotgun. Now I can play the game. And there's someone on me. 2 people on me. Nice. Oh, he's cracked. He's dead. Oh. Full box. Oh. I don't know how I missed that. Okay, the ODM gear is done. people coming over. Oh, I can't build, I can't build. I don't know what happened. I almost got him. Ooh. It was not the best position for zone, but I really wanna go fight him, but I don't have no ODM gear, no nothing. Oh, that was so close. He tried. Well, I can just use this. Oh, another high ground. This is like 3 in a row. Oh, I think I just rode his bullet. '86. Why is he still holding a sniper? I have mats for days, so basically nothing can go wrong. Oh, I didn't even notice. Yes! Let's go! I think he died to storm. He tried to use his sword, his katana, but he went into zone and died. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.